This one's for my brother Craig. This chicken, rooster, is at like 300 meters above sea level in the middle of the mountains. How did he get here? Goodness gracious. Alright, it's only 200 meters to the lookout up this track here. We're nearly at Needle, and this rooster has been following us the whole way. And just up there is, poking out of the bushes, Needle. Almost there.
Come, rooster, come.
Can't believe it, that freaking rooster has followed us all the way
Want to come with me?
to Needle.
I cannot believe that. How did
That's the first mountain climbing chicken I've ever seen. Altitude 336 meters above sea level. Needle, this chicken followed me up here. This is mountain climbing territory, and it followed us like 300 meters. But you can see pretty much the whole island from up here.